to share a few tips on how to harvest seed from fleshy fruits and vegetables. For example, today we're going to use cucumber, but this could be applicable for squash or gourds or pumpkins, anything where you're really having to dig those seeds out of that flesh. So we've gone ahead and split the fruit in half, taken a spoon to scoop out those seeds. And it's okay that you're getting extra flesh and things like that in there, because the technique I'm going to show you is how you can more easily separate those. I've scooped most of the seeds out. Give it a little stir. You want to loosen it from any of the flesh that maybe you weren't able to separate from in the beginning. Then we're going to add some water to this container. Don't fill it all the way up because you want to leave room. We're fixing to shake this container. You want to leave room for that water to really slosh around, okay? So the goal here is for the agitation of the water to help separate any flesh and clean off that gelatinous stuff from the seeds, okay? Shake it really good. Okay, now I'm gonna let it rest for just a minute or two, and we're gonna let the seeds settle out to the bottom, and everything else is gonna rise to the top, and we'll skim that off. All right, it's been a minute or two, so we're gonna try to skim off what we can from the top surface here. And we have got quite a bit of material. Look at all that came out in the spoon. So we're just gonna continue to do that. I think I have all the big parts. Now I'm gonna gently pour off this water. You could use a strainer. I'm going low tech today. Okay, so we've got our seeds. I'm gonna add more water, round two. I can already tell it's a lot cleaner. The water's clear, but we still got quite a bit of junk on the top. Shake it again. Okay, we're gonna let it sit again for another minute. All right, it's been another few minutes, and so I am gonna use the help of my trusty kitchen strainer. You don't have to buy anything special, just use something that you already have laying around to help separate this as we pour off that rinse water. Okay, so you see I've got most of the water off, and I've caught a lot of the gelatinous stuff. I'm gonna clean that out, just give it a couple hits, and then go ahead and pour the seeds in there to get as much moisture off the seeds as possible. We've got a pretty good clean seed collection here. And so now our next step would be to lay these out in a single layer so that they have really good airflow, they can fully dry out before we package those in a breathable container, maybe a paper envelope, and then put those into an airtight container to help regulate humidity. Place those in a cool, dark place, and these will be good to go next growing season.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.